Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I have my winter FabFitFun unboxing for you guys. When I saw the customizations for this box, I got so excited again. If you haven't seen my fall one, I'll link it up in the cards, and that box I was kind of disappointed to say the least. I was so close to canceling my annual subscription, which renews for this box, and I didn't, and I'm really happy I didn't because I am excited to share with you guys. I just cut the tape, but I'm excited to unbox this, open it up with you guys. Now with this, they do have sales that you can do add-on items that are super discounted with good products. So I did purchase 3 things. The first thing, Lily Pulitzer tumbler with straw. Now this is BPA, phthalate, and lead free, but you do have to hand wash this. But I am totally for this kind of design with Lily Pulitzer. The blue pinks are my favorite. So I thought this would be great to put water and stuff in. You can't microwave it, so you can, I pretty much will do cold drinks. But really excited that this was an add-on and I grabbed it. They had a couple other Lily Pulitzer stuff, but with their sales you kind of have to snag it, and once the item is sold out, it's gone. So I did get that, and then I also added on, this is the Kapari deodorant coconut oil, and I have been using this deodorant and really enjoying it. I used to get it from Sephora. I have purchased it off of Amazon as well, but it was on a really good discount from the FabFitFun box this month or this season, so I grabbed another one. And then I saw this and I really wanted to give it a go. This is their advanced teeth whitening Own Your Own Smile. This attaches to your smartphone, which is really neat. So I figured I can try this baby out for you guys in a review video and let you guys know if it's worth it. My son the other day, like a couple weeks ago, told me I had yellow teeth, so we're going to try this out and hopefully make my teeth a little whiter and brighter. It says they were featured on Extreme Makeover, Oprah, The Doctors, and Larry King Live. So excited to try that. But let's get into what is actually in this box. I do have a link down below that will give you some money off your first box if you're interested to try it out. I also get random like free boxes I can send out. So let me know in the comments down below if that's something you're interested in, and I can try and send it to you when I get that email and stuff again for like friends boxes. But let's get into it. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. They have a magazine that kind of tells you everything that is in the box. So there's a couple different levels of FabFitFun where you can pick a certain amount of items or select certain items over the other. So there's some customization, select member customizations, and then they put some items that is for everyone in the box. So the first thing you could have picked was the Vera Bradley Compact Organizer, a unhide little marshmallow blanket, which I have that and I sleep with it every night on my bed. I love that thing. It's $65 for that. I didn't pick it because I do already have it, but it would have been a really good Christmas gift if I thought about it. The Bombshell Sloan Champagne Flutes, Summer and Rose Cozy Robe, Tea Seed Elixir, Kate Spade Rise and Shine Stud Earring set of 2, and then the Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening. So this is the Mobile White Teeth Whitening. I did add that as an add-on. I think the add-ons are only $10–15 per add-on. And then I'm pretty sure I picked out the Kate Spade earrings. Let's see. Yep, so I did get the Kate Spade earrings, which I'm really excited about. What I'm wearing is actually Kate Spade pearl stud earrings that I purchased from Amazon earlier this month, and I pretty much wear them every day. So when I saw they had a little set of 2, I had to grab them up. Comes with a little pink pouch for them, which I probably won't use, but great for gifting. These are what the earrings look like. So definitely kind of my kind of classic pearl earrings, and then you also have some diamonds. So I love these kind of classic looks for earrings. Like I said, these are the ones that I've been wearing on an everyday basis. These are a little bit smaller pearls, but still really nice. So I'm happy I picked that option. So the Kate Spade earrings are priced at $68. It says add double the charm to your lobes with these gold plated studs. And then the teeth whitening says the whitening gel and LED light tray system gives you a brighter, whiter smile. So I'll try that out on my channel as well. So the second customization you could have gotten were the Lily Pulitzer ceramic mugs, the Caudalie Vinosaurus Moisturizing Sorbet, which I have tried on my channel before. I don't remember really liking it. The Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion, Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm, Lucky Brand Solid Brushed Scarf, and the Impression Vanity Mirror, the LED mirror. So I already have a mirror that I've been using for years. This one is a Revlon one. Didn't pick that. I'm not a big fan of Caudalie. You guys know me. I love Lily Pulitzer. I wish they did Lily Pulitzer every box, but I did pick out the Lily Pulitzer mugs, which is good because my husband just dropped one of my mugs and shattered it the other day. So I am down a mug, so really I'm just scanning one. They have a little card here. Enjoy 10% off your first purchase, which is really nice. There's a code you can also use in store, which is nice. We may need that for Christmas time. And then these are what the mugs look like. Super, super cute. It says Lily on there, XX Lily. And I love the gold trim on the handlebar. So really cute. They both look like this. So I'm really excited to have these for hot chocolate, coffee, what have you. Really cute. And those mugs are priced at $42. It says serve tea and coffee in these stylish ceramic mugs. So really happy about that. So let's get into the third kind of customization choice you can do. There's the Ilia Beauty Limitless Lash Mascara, Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice Eyeshadow Palette, and Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser, which I feel like I've tried that before, maybe not. You could also get their Pore Dermabrasion, which is really nice. I really like that exfoliator in the past. Lily Maroon Velvet Headband. So let's see what I got. I feel like all the Dr. Brandt stuff wasn't an option when I picked it, but I did get the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice Eyeshadow Palette. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. These looked like really good neutral everyday kind of colors, and when I picked this out too, I didn't know I was getting that Charlotte Tilbury box that my husband gave me as an early Christmas gift, so I didn't know I was going to have another eyeshadow palette. This is what the palette looks like. So definitely a great everyday kind of palette that has a lot of neutrals in there, gold, champagne, and browns. So stuff that I pretty much wear on an everyday basis. Now today's a little different. I did wear some mint green in my eyes, but this is kind of the looks that I go for on a good basis. Go ahead and swatch this middle area, which is drawing my eyes. So that is like 3 of the swatches. Pretty good pigmentation. So I'll be excited to play with this more on my channel, let you guys know. I haven't tried Laura Geller out before, so I am excited to do that. And that eyeshadow palette says achieve warm daytime and smoky night looks with 12 crease-proof shades, and it retails for $45. Okay, so next customization, you could have picked the Kate Spade New York workout socks that have the little grippies on the bottom. They looked super cute, but I do already have a whole bunch of those kind of socks from when I took Pure Barre classes back in the day. Then you could have gotten the Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cool and Brightening Eye Balm, the Muke Luke's Cabin Socks, which looks super cute, Boyer Hair Care Rhythm of the Rain Hair Mask and Scalp Detox, then the Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask, and I'm not really sure what I got. So I got the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. Now, Tula is all over social media, and I haven't tried anything, so I was kind of interested in seeing kind of what all the hype's about. So this is really cute pink, matte pink packaging. And then it's just kind of a roll-on kind of cream stick, it looks like. That is what the product looks like. Pretty neat. I am intrigued. I'll let you guys know more about this as I play with it and try a little bit more. And this says energize and awaken the under eye area, or use it as a highlighter on your cheekbones, and Cupid's bow for instant glow, $30. So I am excited. I do really like kind of highlighter cream stick. So that is the one that I got. The next thing you could have gotten were Botanic Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels, the Apari Cutting Boards, the Defu Apple Cider Vinegar Dry Shampoo Powder, and I think that's it. So I got the Boutique Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. It says it'll brighten, hydrate, and depuff. I really like using eye gels. I was using the gold ones from Wander Beauty for a long time. I think I might have one left. So this will be nice and something different to try that will kind of do the same thing as them. I don't know the price difference between that one and this one. This one says it is $25, so it is a lot cheaper than the Wander Beauty ones. Place these hyaluronic acid infused eye gels on the under eye area to reduce any puffs, but this is something I like to do in like my Sunday skincare routine or like once a week kind of thing where you just want to pamper yourself. So I'm really interested and excited to play with this. Okay, so the next thing is you could have gotten the Whish Lip Scrub in Vanilla Bean, Paradox Lucky Stars Blemish Patches, or the Below the Belt Croc Card Case. So I got the Whish Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub, which says it exfoliates with brown sugar, raspberry seed, and bamboo powder, moisturizes with their shea butter, raspberry butter, and aloe, and renews with vitamin E and avocado oil. So let's see what this thing looks like. So it is a squeeze tube. Oh, and it's kind of just like look like using a lip gloss, but I'm sure there's little scrubby particles in there. Let's see. Yeah, so that is kind of what the product looks like, and they do have a really small kind of exfoliating sugars in there to kind of help exfoliate. And it does smell good, not super overpowering and not like a sweet kind of scent, just kind of like a natural vanilla bean, if that makes sense. I am excited to have that. I've used lip scrubs in the past, but normally when I get them, they're in a jar, so I do like that it's in a squeezy tube, so it's a little bit more sanitary than what I was using previously. So the next thing you could have gotten was the Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush, the Noir Jewelry Ombre Leopard Scrunchies. Oh, that's it. So those two things. And I know, because I saw it in here, I did get the leopard print scrunchies, which I'm excited I got. I have seen one other one of these, and they did get the dry brush, but that is not something that interests me. So I'm excited to get kind of scrunchies to put my hair up, especially being a mama. This is definitely something that intrigues me. So they have kind of a natural leopard, looks like more of like a red kind of theme, and then orange. So really cute. You get a 3-pack, and these say meow, keep your hair out of your face with these leopard print scrunchies, and it retails for $25. So the next thing you could have picked out was the Aesthetic. I don't think I picked out these. I think they picked them out for me, but it's the Aesthetica Liquid Eyeliner, the London Town Get Well Nail Recovery, and then the Phase Zero Makeup Making Moves Blusher. I wish I got the blusher. They gave me the London Town Get Well Nail Recovery. Now, I'm not one that has been doing my nails for the past 3 years since having my son. So, I don't know. We'll see this, though. Maybe I can, like, at least take care of them or something. But that is kind of what it looks like. It looks like a nail kind of clear gloss you can put on it. It says it will nourish your nails with a blend of alpha hydroxy acids and vitamins B5 and C. Shipping restrictions apply, and then it is $20 it retails for. So I don't know if I'll use this. I do have like a whole nail polish rack that I'm looking at right now, but I just haven't really taken care of my nails since having my son. And if I did, they'd probably just chip anyway with how hard we play sometimes. So that's kind of one of the more disappointing things. And then they threw in here a Kind Thins Dark Chocolate Nuts and Sea Salt bar as well. So that is everything that came in the FabFitFun box. There's a couple other cards that they always do for promotions for HelloFresh, all that kind of stuff. But the grand scheme of this box, I am so excited and happy for. I love the products they picked out for me. I love the products that I picked out myself. I like that they worked with some of the brands that I am a big fan of, like Kate Spade and Lily Pulitzer. I'm excited to try some of these other beauty products as well, but I will link them down below for y'all who are interested in trying them out. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I do pay for this box myself. That's why last review, you guys know, was not the hottest review for them. But I really am looking forward to playing with these products in this winter box. Let me know if you have FabFitFun, what items you are most excited for that you got in your box down below in the comments. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.